Dear students, year 10 IG, how are you? معاكم Mr. Dr. Mohamed Tawfik. Today we will start the first part in math is number. This is the content, so don't be afraid. ما تخافوش. I will make it easier for you. This is Dr. Mohamed Tawfik. I am over 15 years experience in international schools here and Dubai. So the first part is decimals. Decimals, by the way, is a very easy part. أنا هفكركم بيه. I will remind you about that. Yeah. Let's start with these questions. So let's take number one. Number one is saying 7.6 plus. What I will put 19 here under here. So 19.00. Why I messed up? Because هنا in 19 like 7. This is on the left side of decimal. Yeah. 6 here هينزل. 7 plus 9 is 6. Carry up 1 هنا. فهنا 1 plus 1 equal 2. So it will be 26.6. Okay? Very easy, right? But let's take number B. He say 3.4 minus 0. I will put the decimal تحت الديسمال below the decimal 2 4 هنا وهنا 0. excellent. So I will put هنا 0 عشان هنا above ال 4 عشان اعرف اشتغل. 0 minus 4 مش هينفع يا مستر. take 1 from here فتبقى دي 3 ودي هتبقى 10 زي ما احنا عارفين. 10 minus 4 equals 6. جميل. 3 minus 2 سهلة قوي equal 1. 3 minus 0 equal 3. حلوة. يلا next. جميل قوي. Let's see how to do this. طيب خلي بالكم 7.2 هي 72 over 10. فاكرين خدناها in grade 6 in year 6. 7.2 is 72 divided by 10. صح. Okay. And 0.21 is the same of 21 divided by 100. Okay, so I can replace 72 over 10 multiply 22 over 100. We will take all the numerator here. هنقول 72 by 21 ونشتغل هنا easy. هنقول 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 7 7. 2 by 2 4. 2 by 7 14. وهنا هتبقى 2 equal هنا 2. 7 by 4 11. carry up 1 على 4 بقت 5 and over. 10 by 100 equal 1000. طيب let's convert this fraction to decimal. That 1 here will be decimal. This 1 will be decimal. 2 will take the place of the first 0. دي 2. 1 مكان دي يبقى كده دي 1. 5 will take the place of the third 0. دي 5. طب we have 1 here. نحطه هنا. يبقى 1.512. Okay? طب let's take number D. Number D here said 0.84. I can put it like this one. 8 and 4 over 100. Am I right? Yes, sir. Multiply. 2 over 10. Am I right? طيب هنعمل ايه تاني يا مستر؟ هنقول 84 over 100. We will replace the places here by 10 over 2. معلش انا عملت الرسمة. Okay? ليه؟ We had it in year 6. We said in divided fractions the second fraction the numerator will replace the denominator. Okay? طيب. Of course, the 10 divided by 10, we take the first 0 here. Divided by 2, 1. Divided by 2 will be 42. It will be 42 over 10. Thank you so much. رجعها لي decimal. Back it to decimal. سهل قوي. This one will be point. The 2 will take the place of the 0. With 4, I put it here. It will be 4.2. Really? Yes. Okay, so let's solve number E. Number E is very easy, by the way. 3.6 احنا قلنا we said it 36 over 10 يا مستر divided by 0.004 means 4 over the point is here. How many digit numbers here? 3. So divided by 1000 equal. We will say, we said replace this fraction يا مستر. هنقول له 36 over 10 by 1000 over 4. 10 goes with the first 0, divided by 4 1, divided by 4 9, 9 by 100 equal 900. Okay, if you want to make sure, go to the next slide, you will find the answer. I'll put it to you. Okay, بس كده بس كده مصر. Yeah, next we will make revision about fractions. Really? Okay, yeah. Ooh. So he said evaluate, solve. Yeah, it's very easy على فكرة. So we will start with this one. هنقول هنا 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. Make the denominator equal by multiply 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equal 20. That's mean 20 here plus 20 here. So I have to multiply. If I did here 5 by 4, I have to multiply here by 5. 5 by 4, 20. 5 by 3 equal 15. I did here 4 by 5, so I have to put here 4 by 2 is 8. 15 plus 8 equal 5 plus 8 equal 3. Carry a board here. So this is 23 over 20. Okay, so let's solve number B. To solve this, we have to convert the mixed fraction to proper fraction. How? So I will make it for you. 8 by 2, then the product is plus 3. 8 by 2 equal 16. 16 by 3 equal 19 over 8. Minus 12 by 1 equal 12. 12 plus 5 equal 17 over 12. Done. The next step is how to make the denominator equal. 8 by 2 equals 16. 8 by 3 equal 24. So the common between 8 and 12 is 24, because 24 divided by 12 equal 2. So this is easy. So what can you do, يا مستر؟ هنقول هنا 24. 3 by 8 equal 24. 3 by 19 equal this is 7. This is 57. Okay, check by yourself. هنقول هنا 2 by 12 equal 24. Okay, 2 by 7, 4. 2 by 1, 2 plus 1 can add 3. So we have 24 in the denominator. 7 minus 4 equal 3. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Sorry. Done. Okay, so let's go to number C. Number C, he said 2 over 5 by 6 over 7. It's very easy. You will 2 by 6 direct 12. 5 by 7 35 direct. مفيش أي هنا مشكلة. direct على طول. Okay. Yeah. Number D. He said 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 6. Convert the first one to improper fraction. 5 by 2 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. 12 over 5 divided by 6. Good. What can I do? مفيش مشكلة. 6 is 6 divided by 1. 6 divided by 1 equals 6 يا مستر. يعني ده هيبقى ايه بقى؟ 12 over 5 multiply 1 over 6. صح. 6 دي I made a fraction. يعني احنا قلنا افترضنا we suppose that we have 1 here because 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Then I changed the places عشان هنا this is divide of fraction. Divided by 6 1 divided by 6 equal 2. So this is 2 over 5. Bravo. Okay, if you want to share about the results, this is on the next slide. Okay, next. Oh, how to change, I like this, how to change this fraction to decimal. 7 over 8, we have to go to long division. Oh, I hate it يا مستر, معلش, I know. طبعا 7 divided by 8, this is more less than 8, هنحط 0 مش هينفع, I put decimal. The main job of the decimal to give 0. 70 divided by 8, let's go the timetable of 8. 8 by 8, 64. 8 by 7, 8 by 9 equals 72, so مش هينفع, so go to 8. 8 by 8 is 64 minus 10 by minus 4 equals 6. This is 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. We put 0 here. It will be 7. 7 by 8. Yalla. What? 50? Yes. So 6. So when you don't remember the timetable, do what I do. 6 by 8, 48. 48 plus 8. 48. يبقى 56 exactly. يلا برافو. X يبقى 56. So this is will be 4. Okay. Put 0 here. So it will be 4 here. I will put 0 here. This is 5. 5 by 8, 40. Ooh. Finally, so 7. So again, 7 over 8 equal 0.875. That's it. Really? Yes. So next, how to change this to fraction? We have 0.35. We said this decimal will be 1. The 3 will be 0. The 5 will be 0. And put 3 5 over here. Okay, بس كده. Exactly. How to change next one, number C, 1 over 3. Try to change it to decimal. يلا master. Long division. 0 and 1 less than 3. Point. 10. 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. 9. 10 minus 9 equal 1. Again. 0. 3. 9. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry. 1. Here 1. Put 0 again. Messed up. This will be 0. So again, it will be 1 over 3 equal 0.333. يا نهار أبيض. This is endless 3 semester, I know. So your answer will be equal 0.3 and put point here. Do you remember this point? This point means that 3 is repeated. So just take one, the first one, and put point here. Okay? Check your answer is around here. Next, how to solve this kind of questions, because this kind of questions come a lot in the exams. 0.7 recurring is, we call it, because this is 0.7, this is 7 over 10. So we have a relationship between the 7 and 10. So how to solve it, Mr. طب هنقول this is the relationship between 10 and 7.77777. Okay, Good. And it means 1 by 0.77777. يعني that means هنا 7, this is divided by 10, and also 0.7 divided by 1 equals 0.7. Yeah, this is telling you what just happened. Yeah, 7.7 divided by 10 equal this. 0.7 divided by 1 equal this. So the result is equal. We will call it, this is number 1, and this is, we will call it here number 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is 1 minus 2, step 1 minus step 2. All these 7, the first 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, all these will be zeros, right? Point 7 minus 0 here equal 7. And 9 minus 1 equal 9. 10 minus 1 equal 9. So what does it mean? This means 7 over 9. Okay, again. So we said 7.777 divided by 10 is this shape, and 0.7777 divided by 1 equal the same shape. We call this step number 1, we call this step number 2. Then we will make this the first step minus the second step. So all these minus the same numbers equal 0. 7 minus 1 equals 7. 10 minus 1 equal 9. This is the ratio. This is the ratio. The ratio means the right side is divided by the left side. This is the ratio. We'll talk about it later. The ratio means the right side divided by the left side. That means 7 divided by 9. 7 divided by 9, 0. Point. This is 70. 70 divided by 9. If you were gonna check, it will give you 7777777, because 7 minus 9 is 63. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 7. Yes, so 7 over 9 equal 0.7 curing. Okay, all right, and this is what just happened here. Okay, I want you to try by yourself 0.23 occurring. Try to do it and send it by comments. So we will next talk about numbers, facts, and sequences. So we will talk about integer or negative numbers. So I will just make it simple for you. This is the number line. Do you remember the number line? Yes, yeah, master. This is 0, and this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. This is go to endless positive numbers, and we call it infinity. And this is -1, and this is -2, and this is to endless. Endless is negative infinity. So we call these numbers integers. We have positive integers and we have negative integers. This is -1. So okay, started, but 0 is not positive, not negative. Okay, be careful. 0 is even, not positive, not negative. So the positive number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and to endless. Negative numbers is -1, -2, -3, and so on. So what is, okay, do you remember the even numbers? Refresh your mind. The even numbers. Even number, all number divided by 2, right? Like 2, 4, 6, and 8, and so on. The timetable of 2. Okay, what's the odd number, mister? The odd number is other numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on, so on. So what is the prime numbers? The prime numbers, sorry, I know my handwriting is not good. The prime number is the prime divided by itself and 1. Like for example, number 1 divided by only 1. 1 divided by 1 equal 1. 2. 2 divided by 2 and divided by 1. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 3 divided by 3 divided by 1. 4. No. 4 divided by 4 divided by 2 divided by 1 divided by 3 things. ما ينفعش. Again, number 5. Yes, number 5 divided by 1 divided by 5. 6. Impossible, because 6 is divided by 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 1. Nothing. 7. Yes. 9. 8. No. 8 divided by 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, and so on. So you have to think that the prime number is divisible only in 2 cases: divided by itself, divided by 1. Okay, so let's talk about what does it mean, the multiples of 12. The multiple of these number means these numbers divisible by 12. يعني 12 divided by 12 equal 1. 24 divided by 12 equal 2. 36, that's mean all the numbers divided by 12. Okay, that means the word multiple. Multiple mean all these words can divided by 12. What does it mean factors? If you want to find factor of number, you will do the same I will do. You put 12 here. Start with 1. 12 by 1 equal 12. I know. 2. 12 divided by 2 equal 6. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Okay. So this is another way. So another way we can do it like this. 12 divided by 3 divided by 4. Divided by 4 ممكن. Divided by 4 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. And we have another way. What does it mean, ya master? 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Divided by 2 equal 1. So we have factors. This is the factor of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's why he put all these numbers. Okay? And so 12 divided by 1, 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 4, divided by 6. If you see the timetable of these numbers, they are making 12. Okay? This is what we're gonna do next. Square numbers. Square number means if I would put here 2 by 2. 2 by 2 equal 4. Sorry. So this is 2 power 1, 2 power 1. This is what we call power. The power here, when you have 2 by 2, this we call the basic. If the basic equal the basic, we make the sum of the power. Again, 5 power 1 by 5 power 1. Power here, this is the power. The power means the basic, the 5. This is the only 5 we have here. Okay, so 5 by 5 equal 5 power 2, because 1 plus 1 equal 2. So 5 power 2 equal 25, because this is equal 5 by 5. If I say to you 6 power 2 is 6 by 6 equal 36. Now, what if I said 5 by 5? Oh, by 5. Look at that, master. This is 5 by 1, 5 by 1, 5 by 1. So the basic are equal. D5 with D5 with D5, the same. So we have to make sum. The power plus the power plus the power. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Now let's check. 5 by 5 equal 25 by 5 equal 125. So don't be confused. Now let's see here. He said here 2 power 4. 2 power 4, it means 2 by 2 equal 4. 2 by 2 equal 4. So let's solve it for you. Let me explain it for you. بيقول لي 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. 2 by 2 equal 4 و 2 by 2 equal 4, right? طيب 4 by 4 equals 16. Same. طيب let's see يا مستر معلش. I don't understand the last one. تعالى بيقول لي ايه؟ 3 by 3 is 9 وعندي 3 by 3 equal 9 and I have by 3. I took the first 2 3 هنا 3 by 3 equal 9 و 3 by 3 equal 9 ودي حطيتها هنا. 9 by 9 equal 81 by 3. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 by 8 equal 24. So it is 242. طيب let me tell you something. If I put 3 power 6, solve it and send it in the comments for me. Okay? The reciprocal of a number is the result of dividing 1 by that number. ما فهمتش يا مستر. Again. 1 over 5. I told you this 5 by over power 1. صح. I just said it. The 5 here is power 1. Means عندي only 5 here. There is no more 1 5. طيب. If this 5, this is in the denominator, I want to send it up here. What can I do? هعمل كده. هنقول this is 1 by the 5 will go up and the power here is positive, it will be negative. So 5 power negative 1 by 1, it will be 5 power negative 1. For example, another example for you, 2 over 3. I can make it for and all 2 by 3 over negative 1. But how to use it in some questions? يعني هنقول كده 3 over negative 2 هنا 3 of power 3 negative 3. طبعا تقول لي مستر negative power means it's not its place, it must go down, and this is negative, it must goes up. يعني ايه يا مستر؟ دي هتبقى 3 power 3 above ودي هتبقى 3 power 2. That's me. If you see the power is negative, send it in another place. خلاص؟ يلا next. Let's go to the highest common factor. عندنا ال HCF وال LCF. Lowest common factor وال highest common factor. طيب what can I do يا جماعة؟ طب تعالوا نشوف ال 80. ال 80 means ال 80 هي مستر equal 2 by 40. عارفين؟ طيب ممكن نقول ان ال 40 دي عبارة عن 2 by 2 by 20. 2 by 20 equal 40. طيب وال 20 دي عبارة عن 2 by 2 by 2 by 10. وال 10 دي برضه ممكن نقول عبارة عن 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 5. خلاص كده. But the 5 cannot divide it by 2. خلاص it's over. How many 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 power 4. That means I have 4 numbers of 2 divided by 5. Okay, that's what I did. Let's go to 50. 50 means 2 by 25. And 25 means 2 by 5 by 5. So it will be 2 by. How many 5s here? 2 5 power 2. How to get the highest common factor? I made explain here for you so you can understand what just happened. Okay, here. So let's go back. So yeah, you don't have to confuse yourself here. So the common factor here, the common factor is 10. Because how you master? Look at this step. 2 by 2 by 2 by 10. And look at this step here. 2 by 5 by 5. 2 by 5 equal 10. So I have 2 by 10 and I have 10. So the highest common factor here, I will take the highest number of 80, the highest factor of the 80 with the highest factor the same. So the high common factor is 10. And the lowest common factor is 2. Okay? Yeah.